Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Makari's Cakes here. Hope you guys are fine. On this channel I teach cakes, cake recipes, the business of baking and everything that has to do with cakes. Okay, so please do well to like this video, share my videos and also subscribe to my channel. So you guys, a quick one here. I'll be sharing 3 important cake tips that can help a lot of you bakers, especially the beginners that are joining into the cake baking industry. So the first tip I want to share is the moment you decided that you want to start a cake business as a beginner, even if you're not a beginner and you're into the business, I want you to take note that the first thing you need to do is try to register your cake business. It's very, very important, because if you just join and you're like, okay, I'll register next year, sorry, somebody else might be using your name maybe in 1 year later or 2 years later. So the moment you decided that you want to start doing cake business, make sure that you register your cake business. Maybe for instance now, like you just joined and you decide to give your business a name, like maybe like Cakes by Fola, and you did not even register it. Sorry, you never can tell. Somebody else might be using the same name and you will not even know. Maybe by the time you are now ready to register your business, and then you now discover that it has been taken. Honestly, it can be so painful, because the thing is that you have invested so much effort in building your new cake business, you get, so or building your brand. So it's quite painful if you discover that somebody has started using the name. So the best thing for it is that the moment you decide that I want to go into cake business, make sure that you register your business. It's very, very important. Even if you're outside Nigeria watching me, it's very important you go to your government or in your country and you register your business. Okay, the second important tip I want to talk about is make sure that you separate your business funds from your personal funds. It's very, very important you do that. Don't use your business funds to take care of your personal fund. It's very, very bad, because if not, you're going to ruin your business. You might not even have money to buy some materials for your cake business. It's a no. Separate your business funds from your personal funds. Have 2 different accounts. Make sure that if you have a family, your personal funds should be for your family. Try and get a business account. Let your business account be meant for your business. Even if you want to take, even if you don't have a personal funds to run your personal stuffs, and then you want to borrow, you can borrow from your business money, and make sure that you replace it back. It's very important to separate your business fund from your personal funds. And the last tip I'll talk about here is make sure that you market your product as a new business owner that just joined the cake baking industry. The only way you can get new clients or more clients is if you market your product very, very well. Tell the world, go into the world and preach about your cake business, because if you don't, nobody wants to buy from you. Carry your market on your head. Nobody can do it the way you want to do it. You guys, that's it. I hope you got value from this video, and you guys, as time goes on, you'll be getting more of short videos about anything cake business here on my channel. So I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.